In Xamarin Forms, there are a lot of MVVM frameworks that you can use to develop better code based on MVVM pattern. These are some of the MVVM frameworks that you can use inside your Xamarin Forms application, like MVVM Cross, Prism, Lite, and MVVM Fresh. But from this list, MVVM Fresh is the best and more reliable if you are working with the Xamarin Forms. MVVM Cross is the best option if you want to make mobile apps with Xamarin Android and Xamarin iOS. But if you want to make mobile apps with Xamarin Forms, then MVVM Cross is not a good way to make applications. And we have different options to make Xamarin Forms application with different MVVM frameworks like Prism, Lite, and MVVM Fresh. And from this list, Prism is the best if you want to make mobile apps for larger and complex systems where loose coupling, testing, maintainability of code is more important than the performance or response time of the application. Now comes the MVVM Lite. Well, as the name suggests, it's mostly used in small and lighter applications, and it's supporting both Xamarin and Xamarin Forms. But because of limited support and documentation, people will mostly target MVVM Prism. Then comes the Fresh MVVM. Well, this Fresh MVVM is the most widely used in Xamarin Forms apps, and it's very fast and reliable. With Fresh MVVM, you can build small, medium, and large applications. It can also be used with the complex applications, but my personal opinion is that if you really want to make a very complex kind of application with the performance and response time of the application doesn't matter, then go with the MVVM Prism. Despite the fact that MVVM Prism is the best framework, it's a little bit slow. And we have only one option left, and that is MVVM Fresh. Also, I want to tell you something interesting, and that is Xamarin Forms also comes with built-in MVVM framework, but it's not as good as MVVM Prism, Lite, or Fresh MVVM. Maybe you are asking yourself, why should I use Fresh MVVM and not the built-in Xamarin Forms MVVM? Because few things are very good in Xamarin Forms MVVM, like command pattern or iNotify property change event. But in Xamarin Forms built-in MVVM, there is no support of dependency injection pattern, and almost 80 out of 100 mobile app developers in the software engineering market implement dependency injection pattern in their mobile apps. And we are lucky enough that we will also implement the dependency injection in our cross-platform Xamarin Forms mobile application. So just turn around your sleeves, because from the next module, we're going to start working with the Fresh MVVM.